Do you know which of the electrical protection switches protects your electricity and your home's electrical appliances better? MCB miniature circuit breaker or RCD residual current circuit breaker? Stay with us until the end of the video to find the answer to this question. A miniature circuit breaker, or MCB, is one of the most important protective equipment in buildings. An MCB is an automatic switch that automatically disconnects the circuit when the current exceeds the allowable limit or a short circuit occurs. The main function of a miniature circuit breaker is to protect wiring and electrical equipment against overload or short circuit. The advantages of an MCB switch are that it is reusable, and it is very easy to reconnect after disconnection, and it has a fast and safe operation, and it disconnects the circuit in a few milliseconds. It makes it easy to diagnose a connection. And as soon as each miniature circuit breaker is disconnected, we can find out exactly where the connection occurred and fix it. MCBs are usually installed in domestic and industrial electrical panels, and each line has its own miniature circuit breaker. So far, we have learned that an MCB does not directly protect our lives. Rather, its main function is to protect electrical equipment and wiring. The Residual Current Device, or RCD, also known in some sources as RCCB, is one of the most important safety devices in building electricity. RCD is a switch that quickly cuts off the electrical current in the event of a leakage to prevent electric shock and fire. The main function of RCD is to protect human life from electric shock and also to protect against leakage current to the ground, which can lead to fire. RCD switches have many advantages, including severely reducing electric shock and preventing fires caused by current leakage, and have limitations such as not being able to withstand short circuit and overload current. These switches are installed in the building's electrical panel, and usually feed the input of the MCB miniature switches, so that all the circuits in the building are covered. Now, which one do we choose? MCB or RCD? Or both? Let's go to the final answer. As we said, the MCB's job is to protect electrical appliances and equipment and building wiring against short circuits and overloads. And the RCD's job is to protect human life and prevent fires. So both are necessary for the home and workplace, and neither can be removed. So the miniature circuit breaker saves your appliances, and the circuit breaker protects your life. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to us and introduce us to your friends.